I'm making a right strictly because it's prettier this way. Go ahead, sir. After you, lady, sir. Mr. Man. That guy raced me and he won in a shitty little SUV. God damn it! Or it's gonna be a glorious 60-something degrees, which you would think, hey, what's wrong with riding tomorrow? Well, I'll tell you what's wrong with riding tomorrow. You win this one, universe, but let's see. Don't you do it? He didn't do it. Praise Odin, he didn't do it. Fucking people. That guy raced me and he won in a shitty little SUV. God damn it! I'm literally just killing time so I don't have to park it, because it's sad, because tomorrow it's gonna be a glorious 60-something degrees, which you would think, hey, what's wrong with riding tomorrow? Well, I'll tell you what's wrong with riding tomorrow. It'll rain all day, because the universe knows I got a motorcycle, and they're like, this guy, let's make this an unseasonably warm winter and make it rain whenever he can ride. And he'll be too new to feel comfortable riding in the rain, and he'll just be frustrated. Fucking universe. You win this one, universe, but let's see. I told my girl I'm gonna maybe take a ride in the rain. She was like, I don't think that's a good idea. And she's probably right, I think. I'm making it right strictly because it's prettier this way, and hopefully you can see it on camera. I don't have any ND filters, and I need to get a GoPro so it looks better, but that looks pretty. I don't know if it just looks, it looks pretty. You really can't see. I need an ND filter. I need sunglasses for my goddamn camera. Because they will look so much prettier then. Alright, I don't even know where I'm going at this point. I'm just acting like a fucking fool. Go ahead, sir. After you, lady, sir. Mr. Man. It's getting dark. I need to open this shield, bro. Yeah, it looks so fucking gorgeous, but you probably really can't even tell. I mean, you could see the probably orange color it looks like, but you can't see the clouds individually. It's pink and orange and pretty and nice. Alright, we're headed home. I think we had our fill for today. I didn't even think I was going to be able to get out today. And then I did, which is awesome. It was pretty sweet. I got to take the motocicleta afuera for a ride. Yeah, it's dark. I can't see nothing. So riding in the dark and cold, not the best idea. So let's be cool and park it. But hear that exhaust first a little bit. This is the spot, and then I went way wide. I hit that line right there, like a moron. was all panicked. And tuck and roll. Booyah shaka. And tuck and roll. Look at that's pretty. Alright, we did it, ladies and gentlemen. We made it home. Thank you for watching and whatnot, you know? Appreciate everybody. This was fun. Let's get a quick look at the back of the bag. Look at the back. I probably should have not parked so close because now I can't see the front of the back. Okay, bye, Ninja. Okay, bye. Bye, Ninja. Good night.